Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at CROSSE Technology 314-152BL Digital Thermometer Instruction Manual. Specifications. Features. Temperature display in degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. On-off switch. Mount with hook, magnet or just place on the table. Setup. Use a coin to open the battery cover with a counterclockwise turn. Remove the protective plastic strip so the battery can connect. Or, insert one XLR 1130, 1.5 volts button cell battery into the battery compartment. Replace the battery cover. The display will show dashes for 3 seconds, then the temperature will appear. Function buttons. Degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Toggle between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit temperature display. On-off. Turn the thermometer on or off. Placement. Use the hook on the back of the thermometer to hang from a refrigerator shelf. Use the magnet on the back to attach to your refrigerator door. Fold the hook down and stand on a table or desk. Battery change. Open the battery cover with a coin and insert a fresh LR 1130, 1.5 volts button cell battery into the battery compartment. Positive plus should face up. Replace the battery cover. Warnings. Replace the coin cell battery. Use a coin to turn the battery cover to the left to remove it. Pull back the metal pin and gently remove the battery. Insert a fresh CR 2032 battery with the plus side up and snap into place. Replace the battery cover and use the coin to turn it to the right to lock. Serious health risk. Swallowing can be fatal. A button battery can cause severe injury or death in just 2 hours if swallowed. Chemical burns. The battery's chemical composition can lead to severe burns and potential perforation of the esophagus. Immediate action required. Seek medical attention immediately. If you suspect someone has swallowed or inserted a button battery, get urgent medical assistance. Examine devices. Regularly check devices for loose battery compartments and ensure they are securely fastened. Avoid use. Do not use devices with unsecured battery compartments. Proper disposal. Dispose of used button batteries immediately and safely. Flat batteries are dangerous. Even flat batteries can pose a risk. Educate others. Inform friends, family, and caregivers about the dangers of button batteries and how to keep children safe. Troubleshootings. Inaccurate readings. Check battery power. Ensure proper placement away from heat sources and cold drafts. Remove obstructions and verify correct mounting. No display. Replace batteries, check battery contacts, and contact customer support if necessary. Erratic readings. Move the thermometer away from electronic devices. Ensure clear line of sight to the outdoor sensor, and contact customer support if issues persist. Mounting issues. Clean the mounting surface, press the suction cup firmly, and consider alternative mounting methods if needed. Other issues. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting tips or contact customer support for assistance. Button battery safety. If a button battery is swallowed, seek immediate medical attention. Secure battery compartments. Regularly check devices for loose battery compartments and ensure they are properly fastened. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.